It's your girl Ifa K, and I'm back at it, boo, one more again, here with another review for you. Now, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. As I said, I'm Ifa K. I love hair, I love makeup, and I love wigs. So if you're into those types of things as well, anything dealing with beauty really, then I hope you will consider subscribing before the end of this video. And for all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo, or what it do, crew, or what it, what it do. All right, you guys, so today we are diving into another review, boo. As you guys know, I have been doing the 50 Shades of Spring series, and today is no different. I've been bringing y'all all these beautiful colors and all these beautiful ladies, and today I am collaborating with Miss MagikalBlackness. Round of applause. MagikalBlackness is a channel about the slay, baby. She is a model. She is a mother of two beautiful boys who also model. And guess what, YouTube? This girl can sing. Not only can she sing, she's a freaking soprano. So I hope you guys will go check out MagikalBlackness channel after this review. I promise you, sis, you will not be disappointed. When I tell you she brings you colors, like forget the 50 Shades of Spring. This girl is bringing you colors all throughout the year. You understand me? I'm talking about from January to December and every month in between. You understand? So you guys make sure y'all go ahead to her channel after this video. I will make sure to leave a link to her channel down below and also up here in the big eye in the sky. All right, you guys, let's get into this review. Right, my babes. Wow. So let's talk about Miss Chana. So Chana is from Sensationnel Shear Muse, a lace front wig with the lace part. It has ear to ear lace, and obviously you saw the baby hairs that had straight out the pack. It is safe from 350 to 400 degrees. It says it is 100% premium fiber. Be your own muse. That's what it says, ladies and gentlemen. Be your own muse, y'all. Sensational. Sensational has brought the heat with this unit. You see my fingers are gliding through her, right? She just yes. Anyway. So the Sensational Shear Muse line has a freaking plethora of colors. So these are the colors that it is available in. Sensational is one of my most favorite wig companies. It's actually probably the favorite wig company of mine. Yeah, I just wanted to, yeah, it is Sensational. Yeah, that is my favorite wig company. The ear tabs, I did not secure the lace all the way around. I just secured it right up here where the got to be glued gel is. But it is ear to ear, y'all. The ear tabs are fitting me, and this wig is not fitting me snugly. It is big head friendly, and it's super beginner friendly. Y'all, I did not have to lay the baby hairs. Like, honestly, I was debating, going back and forth. Do I want to? Do I not want to? But I just decided ultimately to go ahead and lay them down. As you saw, I made sure to remove my makeup before laying down my lace, period. You understand? That will save you a lot of headache and a lot of like patchwork. I will leave the price down below because I don't remember the price. It's not shedding terribly. It did shed a little, but you know, it's a synthetic. I mean, it's a lace front, and me cutting the lace off may have had something to do with it because it's minimal shedding. Like, I got one strand of hair through that, and I just got like maybe 2 more strands there. One thing I will tell you guys to be cognizant of is that this dye that they used for this unit is it rubs off. The black up here rubs off, and also look at that. You see my fingers? Let me just show y'all. Look at my fingers. You see those? Look at that. I do not like that at all. That is not a good look. Sensational. I need you to get your life together. Sensational, okay? Yeah, y'all ain't being too sensational because, yeah, this color is rubbing off on my fingers, so get your life. Let's see, what else? I do believe that is pretty much it as far as the specs for this unit. I am going to stand up and give you guys a 360 of Miss Chana. But y'all, like, baby, yes. What? I did add some powder to the part just for definition to make that part pop. But honestly, it didn't need much powder. The part looked pretty good. I'm gonna stand up, let you guys see this 360 of her. This color is everything. If it just did not shed on my, I mean not shed, but the color come off on my fingers. For reference, I am 5'10". Get this 360 real quick. Okay, this is Chana all the way to the front, pretty much all of her to the front. This is Sensationel's Chana to the side. This is Chana all the way, all of her to the back. And this is Miss Chana to the other side. Once again, I am 5'10" for reference. If you cannot tell, I'm feeling myself. Yes. Don't forget to go check my girl MagikalBlackness out. She is such a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic woman, and she has the best spirit, guys. She's super supportive, super loving, and just an altogether good, freaking solid friend that I have found on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please share with a couple of your friends, you guys. See me slay this unit and many others. You guys can follow me on my Instagram. That is Ifa_K_slays. I slay every day, boo, on the gram. So make sure you guys go and follow me today. I will leave a link to that down below as well. I'm also on Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all that other good stuff. So check out the description box below. It'll give you all the details. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I love you all, and I pray God continues to bring you back to me each and every week and keep you safe in the meantime, in between time. I love y'all.
OmniBeats.com